Here is my loadout for the Peak Design Everyday Backpack V2. At the top I have my flash and camera strap. I keep my air tag right here. I have an air tag in here. Found this to be the best place for it because no one really knows about this hidden slot. There's the 70 to 200. It can't be pulled out from here, and I'll show you why I have it set up like that. On the right side, I have my camera with the origami divider folded on the top side to hold the strap and camera flash. At the bottom I have my filters. I keep 4 filters at the bottom. Inside here, just quick, I could put anything in here, but I keep those there. Here, the same thing. I didn't really think about what I have here, just a lens cleaner. I like it like this because it stays snug. There's no movement. And when I close the bag, there's also no movement on the when you shake your bag around. To the other side. Also, I have the bottom zippers locked in. I just use these top zippers. Now on the other side, I have my 70 to 200. Now I have this divider slightly at an angle because of the lens head. And that makes sure this stays snug from going this way because I don't want to pull it from the top. And again, closing this latch keeps it in place. And here, just some mounting plates from the Peak Design, and sorry about this. And up here, nothing, but I usually keep the extra battery here. I don't carry a laptop in this bag, but I use this compartment for the step-up rings. For my filters. Some polishing cloths. And battery charger for my flash, because it uses the N-Loop Pro rechargeable NIMH batteries. I'm not sure we're going to put here, maybe papers. I could put my laptop in here if I wanted. Shake test, I don't feel anything. Up down test. No gear shake. Nothing. That's the way I like it. Before I had the origami dividers. Dividers flat in there. And my camera would shake. Well, as I moved, it would shake up and down. Or left and right. It wouldn't shake up and down. It would shake left and right. But I found this way to be the best way to store it. Because I like my stuff tight. For my 7200, there's not much room left. I am waiting on a 2x teleconverter. I'll probably just keep it on the lens. Or I could just lower it at the top here. But there's not much more room in this bag. I could just store it at the top here. I could move the strap to the bottom. Not sure. Anyway, so far I like this setup. It's been great. I do have the Peak Design tripod, and I tried putting it in one of these side pockets, but it doesn't look that good because it's the 20 liter. Just does not look that good. I mean, it works. You could do this. Kind of looks weird. I found the best way is just to use these bottom straps. And have the tripod. And you can keep it in the case. Just have the tripod right here. But you gotta keep it tight on there. And even with these strap holders, there's still gonna be a lot of hanging. And another thing I didn't like is how it's always on the tripod. So all the way to the bag is on the tripod when you set it down. That's another con. Maybe right here. I could put it right here. And put the straps this way. Might be better. In fact, I think I'm gonna do that next time. But all in all, I think I found the perfect loadout for this bag. If I want to get more lenses, I'll probably need to get a 30 liter and maybe an extra divider, just so I have more room up here. Anyway, thanks for watching.